So if there was one tip I could give any new qualified NLP trainer or hypnosis trainer that's getting into teaching seminars, online events, could be live events where you're going to be teaching and certifying people, what's the one thing that I could give you as a piece of advice? Demos, 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 demos. If you go to a lot of training, certifications, and seminars, you'll find that a lot of it is based on theory. It's usually like the instructor sitting on stage, headphone, microphone and headphone on. They've got like the stool in front of them. They've got the book sitting on the stool, and it's literally theoretical stuff for 5 days, 7 days, 14 days. Now, why this is okay to teach someone the logic stuff, which is very conscious, what will appease your students and give them really good comprehension and show them that you are the expert, is demonstrations. When it comes to anything like therapy, NLP, and hypnosis alike, the feeling, the sensation, the understanding, the experience is always captured better by the imagination as far as what this thing looks like. Your students will comprehend what you do by doing more demos. In our 3-day online certification, where we do it over Zoom with hundreds of people, I spend my entire time doing demonstrations, breaking down the demonstrations, and then a lot of Q&As. Why? It's very, very hard to teach people therapy and hypnosis from a textbook, because the textbook basically says that this is the way the mind works. This is the way that people work. And unfortunately, people don't work that way. When it comes to teaching and certifying people, guys, the only thing that matters is comprehension. And yeah, sure, they do need the logic, absolutely. But what helps comprehension is the demonstrations. So if you're starting out and you're scared of demonstrations, you've got to sort of get over that thing. The best thing you can do when you first open up your day one ready to go, hello, everyone, this is day one of X, Y, and Z. Let's get a demo done. Prove people you know what you're doing. It'll set you up for your expertise. Now, in the long run, this is what works, which is really, really good. If I've got a hypnosis 3-day course and I want to upsell people into my 4-day course or another online program, what helps people get upsold into those programs without spending a whole day on just an upsell is demonstrations, proving you know what you're doing. Have people experience this theory that you're talking about. Demos go a very long way for your bottom line, guys, as far as your upsells. But it's a great way to prove to everybody that just paid good amount of money for joining you on the certification or event is the demonstrations, guys. Get that done first. It'll ease all the anxieties and all the fears that maybe you're not quite ready to be teaching or anything like that. Any ridiculous notion that you have in your head. Once you're ready to do so, guys, get in, start teaching people, get the demos done. It goes a long way to convince people, and it's the easiest way to show people that you're the expert and they're getting value for money.